You know what I love about my job? This morning I was sitting in a bit of traffic. It took me at least 20 minutes to get from East Brisbane to West End. And you know, some people think that when they get stuck in the daily grind, they're unhappy with the job. Today I'm really grateful. I'm in the most luxurious homes, getting to work and seeing exactly what the most successful and most dedicated people achieve within one lifetime, and it's absolutely amazing to see what one person can do. So I'm fortunate in this respect, and that makes me be able to stand the daily grind and be able to keep pushing and motivating myself to go further forward day by day. So be positive and be very grateful for every opportunity, even when you are slogging it out in the sun all day doing the heavy lifting, which is what I did all day and was rewarded with a fantastic swim. Have a good afternoon, everyone. It's time for me to have a beer.